Hey y'all, so I am back with a wig review. So I told you guys I was going to be doing wig reviews on my channel, so here we go. I didn't waste any time, now did I? So this wig, I purchased with my own money, not sponsored, none of that. I first saw this company on Trendy K's video. She is a YouTuber that does reviews, and she had a different wig. She had a wig that was blonde, and then she dyed it purple, which was beautiful. So I went on the site just to see what they had, and I noticed that for human hair wigs, they're pretty affordable. I've been buying wigs for quite some time, and I've noticed you kind of get what you pay for with wigs. So this isn't like a very cheap wig, but I think it is, you know, affordable for the length of hair that it is, and I think it's a fair price point. Now, so I ordered this wig June 15th. It came in the mail. It came to me. I ordered probably late afternoon, June 15th. Came June 17th in the morning at 9:30 in the morning, because I remember I was like, what, who's delivering something this early at my house? So it came 2 days later from China. Now usually I've gotten wigs and hair from China before. It'll usually take 3 days, so 2 days. And like I said, I didn't order it, you know, in the morning. I ordered it in the afternoon because I remember. I don't know how they did it, but I'm glad they did. So it came shipped FedEx, and you know, in a little mailer. You unwrap the mailer, and it comes packaged very nicely in this box. So this is their box. It has all of their social media right there on the box. And what made me pick this unit, they actually had a real like photo with the like a person on it. Like a person, when I see pictures of companies with their wigs, you can't 100% trust that that is actually their wig, because they do steal pictures from other wig companies. So because this girl actually had the wig on, and because I have to do my due diligence, so I always research, I ended up finding the girl whose picture it was on Instagram, and sure enough, she wrote in her own Instagram page that she had just bought this wig something. So I was like, okay. And she had a coupon code. I used her coupon code. And if you want to purchase a wig from this company, I will link a coupon code for you in the description box below. So yeah, like I said, because the girl had the wig on and it was so full, I said, you know what, that's affordable. I'm gonna buy it, because I've been wanting like a bob, you know, to wear to work and just like, you know, just every day. And I could not be more pleased. Like, I'm gonna give this wig 4.5 out of 5 stars. I'm gonna give you my rating in a bit. If I was to go by the density of the wig, because it didn't say on the website, I would have to say about 130, maybe 135. It's very full. There is very soft. And this was the great thing about the wig. I take it out the pack, I bump it with the flat iron. That's it. I didn't have to cut the bangs. All I did, because the bangs are kind of long, I put it back a little bit further back on my head. That was it. I mean, as well as it's cut. Now, this is what I mean when I say there was no lace. There was no lace to cut, which you can take that as a pro, because that's one less thing you have to do. But because there's no lace at the crown, you can't see a part. So that is another thing. And you have your 2 adjustable straps as usual. And this I thought was different. I have never bought a wig that already had an adjustable elastic band already sewn in it. Thank you, okay? LuvmeHair, thank you. Like, again, like I said, who wants to do more work? But that's pretty much it. As far as the construction, you guys can see I have a larger size head. This is a medium cap, and it fit me just fine. Plenty of space, but because of the band, it still fit flush to my head. And my hair is braided, so I just wanted to show you the wig outside, because of course we wear our wigs outside. hope you're not gonna get dizzy from me shaking the camera, because of course I'm walking. But yeah, I just thought this would be something different so you actually could see, you know, in motion. I'm headed, you know, do an update video. Yeah, just wanted to show you outside.